Yes, welcome to Bangkok and the video here in Thailand. I'm at the Chatuchak weekend market here. Every weekend, obviously, as the name suggests. I haven't actually eaten anything today. It's like 2 p.m, very warm, probably 27. So I'm quite hungry and thirsty. So I'm gonna go explore a bit here, see if we can find some good food. But there's also obviously a lot of cool shops and stuff everywhere. So I'm just gonna walk around here. Then tonight I'm gonna meet up a friend and have dinner and maybe explore a bit of the nightlife. We'll see. Probably not gonna bring this big camera, but maybe I'll show something in the evening as well if you stay to the end. And now I'm just gonna walk around and see if there's some cool shops and definitely if there's some nice food. So I'll take you guys around, see you around in there. Yeah, it's pretty warm outside, so it's nice. You can also walk a bit inside. There's a lot of stores and kind of alleys. I like to be outside, get a little bit of tan, but also nice to mix it up a little bit. I have a lot of cool stuff here. We'll see if you find some nice first place to check out. So much food here everywhere in the background. It's like Thai food, international cuisine. Here's like some kebab, like squids, eggs, everything. I'm gonna find something that's worthwhile spending my precious calories on. I don't wanna have too greasy or deep fried stuff. I've had a lot of Thai food, of course, the days before, but I'm in Thailand after all. I prefer that as opposed to international food. There's a lot of cool stuff here. Maybe I'll sit down, as you can find, but so much good food here now. We're definitely gonna try some different things. I think I'll definitely go in and check out this place. There's so much stuff here everywhere. I have like tables, people sitting everywhere eating. There's a lot of cool stuff. See what kind of cuisine I want to try. It's like signs everywhere. Really nice. I'm sure we're gonna find something. Just gotta find an empty table first. Fantastic. So finally we got the food there. We got some nice fish here. It's not sauce, I want to save some of the calories, so it's like a salted one. And then we have some amazing chicken curry here. They wanted me to have the pad thai as well, but I'm gonna avoid those carbs, so it's later. Maybe find some fun snacks instead. Also try to make me buy rice, but no, I'm sticking with the protein, trying to have a high protein and kind of low carb diet. I'm not burning a lot of energy today, so no problem. But let's try it now. Let's see if we can have some fish first. Wow, that is a big piece of fish meat, white here with the skin. That is looking incredible. Let's try it. Some bone inside, you have to be careful. Very buttery, very nice. We got some nice kind of chili sauce here. Gonna dip it a bit here. Try it. I like spicy stuff. A lot of very nice chili flavors. Let's try it. We can have the soup here. I guess you're supposed to have the spoon here, but I'm weird. I'm gonna try it with the chopstick first. Curry. Thai curry really is amazing. Let's try a little bit of the soup sauce here with the chicken. Get really messy. It's totally amazing. Let's have some more fish here with the spicy sauce here. Just love it. Pure protein, great for you. Then a bit of this kind of mountain of chicken. Fantastic. That is so good. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this fantastic meal. Crazy nice background environment here. Let's walk around, so see a bit outside. Yeah, after that totally amazing meal, as always here in Thailand, I have some refreshing cold brew. Normally I have ice americano. Point is no calories. I want to save that for food, rather fun stuff. So very refreshing. Truth be told, I'm not really a shopping person, so I'm not gonna buy anything here basically. Just walk around. But if you do like shopping and spending money on things, maybe you should come here. I prefer to eat stuff or experience local culture. Just gonna walk around here. I'm sure we're gonna find some nice snack. First gonna get a sip here to get some energy. Can never go wrong with this ice coffee-based drinks. I first discovered that when I moved to Korea like in 2011. It's pretty weird, not so common in Sweden, but highly recommended if you haven't tried it. It's so refreshing. So see what we can find next. Yeah, I was just walking past this place behind here. It's a long line, very popular meatballs, only pork. That's what I want. Protein, 2 different sauces you can see here, mixing it up in the background. But let's try and dig in. It's a lot of protein, that's what I want. Okay, let's try out this first one here. Not sure if you can see. Smells really spicy. Let's give it a go. Very chewy. Personally, I like my meatballs more crispy. That's kind of the Swedish way. Let's try the other one. A lot of cool stuff here, like tomato and spice. It's really yummy. Let's have another one. Yeah, I picked the smallest serving, 7. I save some space to another one. Let's see if we can find something more. Okay, so we found some interesting squid eggs. Gonna try out that in the background. Let's see what it is. Interesting serving it up here. Yeah. Thank you. Interesting. So we finally got the squid eggs here. Quite interesting. Haven't tried that before, but it's fun to try some new stuff all the time. Gonna have a bit of a bite here. I don't know if it's actually squid eggs or just the squid in itself, but it's deep fried. Probably not so healthy for you, but let's try it. Meaty, interesting. Not super tasty. We have to add a little bit of the spice. Definitely better with the sauce. Yeah, let's have a bit of a combined thing here. The squid egg thing with the spices. Everything definitely gets better with spice. Definitely better this way. Yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy this and then continue walking. So let's see there. Yeah, so that was some pretty interesting stuff. Here we have a big bowl of paella, but I'm gonna say that you can't go crazy just like 2 or 3 hours of dinner. But when I'm out traveling, I like to try a lot of stuff. So basically skipping breakfast is one strategy you can do, and just drinking kind of black coffee and pushing the first meal later in the day. And then having mostly high protein stuff. Of course, some of the good stuff have carbs and fat, but I mostly try to focus on the protein things. But then later in the dinner, maybe I can have more things. So I'm just gonna walk a little bit here, then go back, take a bit of the break at the hotel. We'll see, maybe I find something on the way. Otherwise, this market was very nice. If you like a lot of food and shopping, definitely come here. So yeah, with that, see you a bit later. Yeah, just walking home here after evening with a nice dinner out with some steak and rice and some shrimps. I actually forgot to take a good video of it, but it was very tasty. And then we went for some drinks, some margaritas after.
The best margaritas in town.
Wow. Ooh, cheers. Nice. I don't normally drink that much. And also walking past an interesting burger place called Stockholm here. But I'm gonna take it easy, go and rest a bit. So if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.